Yeah, that's it. It just needs to push in there. You gotta watch bend it up that far, you might break it up here. And just put them on so they're facing down here. When you tighten, don't let it come with you. Hold it separately. I'm gonna walk in and get those little tiny channel locks. Yeah, that's in.
That one needs to turn.
Okay, like I said,
Yeah.
watch. Because you go too far, it'll just break the water.
Alright, go get your channel
If you
locks.
pop it. That one's loose feeling.
That's because they're not actually screwed down. They're just popped around the screws.
Yeah, they're supposed to be, it goes between it, but
Right.
that's supposed to be snug at the same time. It should pop straight out.
I'm short, man. Yeah, this big.
Oh, God damn this thing.
Alright.
Everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Hey, Mike, we're put a little bit of gas in it. We're gonna crank it up and see if it gives us any little kickback. Give it a shot! Well, I'm pretty happy to begin with. One major thing, it cranked over. So, let's see if we can get some fire and see what we got. We threw a little gas in, so we probably gotta check a couple points, check a couple things. Alright. Gotta remember, that should be that.
Yeah, we're.
That was your carb.
That should be the carb, right?
That is the carb.
Okay, am I up advancing or down? You see the rod?
I turned off my flashlight, bud. Do it again?
Okay, this is down.
Yes. That is up.
Okay, that should be advanced.
Okay.
And then I should bring back to here to medium ride.
Okay.
And this is retarded.
Okay. Not that kind of retarded, Josh. No spark at the coil, no spark at the spark plugs. Your coil,
Stamped.
Yep.
advanced throttle, right lever, 1.5 inches. Advanced spark lever.
Oh, that's to this notch. Okay. Advance up, right?
Spark lever about halfway on the quadrant for starting, and about 2/3 when driving under normal conditions.
2/3 down or up?
It does not say, it just says advanced.
Okay, I don't know, there is more retarded. Okay, right there should be advanced. Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
Prime the engine by pulling out for an instant on the priming button. Press firmly on starting plunger and release as soon as engine starts under its own power.
Okay, but we have no spark.
Yes.
I had this out.
Okay.
I've had this out. Delcos are all in then?
Yeah, everything else is in. Just. No spark.
But
We're gonna go right there. I have power to this coil.
okay.
I have power coming out.
Okay. Let's see if you got it when I crank over, see if your light goes off.
Alright, crank.
It takes a minute.
No.
I should have hit it by now. You want to see if that other one's getting power to it?
The only other things are going in and out of the condensers.
The other one's on this side.
Thanks. I do not have power to the distributors.
Alright, so you got a break in your wire.
I no longer have power to the coils. Well, that's a lie. I have power to the coil,
But not out.
but not out.
Okay, I'll put it on there when I'm cranking. See if you get intermediate. So the key's on,
Alright, I'm ready.
and then you know how things get stuck on.
Yep, I'm ready. It's flashing. It's flashing. Hold on. Crank. Point. cranks.
Okay, they're under that bottom piece, right?
No, they're under the first distributor.
The one towards the front of the motor.
Yes.
Okay. Are we good?
Yeah, go ahead and crank. Okay, one of them is sparking. Do it again.
I was just using these fittings here to hold them together so I can mark out where our rivet holes go. I've got these 4 drilled. I'll get these 4 drilled next. And then when the rivets come in, we'll get the accurate size drilled in. And they'll go up on there.
A little bit there for a little bit where we didn't have much of any.
I got all the tedious, monotonous stuff. Moved around a little after blanking that, but she'll go.